What is up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how to verify your how to add verification to your server with what's it called? With CoralBot. Yeah, how to add verification to your server with CoralBot. So for this to make it a little easier, you can go server set. You're gonna go here. Sorry for the background noises if you can hear them. You're gonna go here, click add. You're gonna click the plus text channels, and you're gonna make it text channel. Gonna make it verify, create channel, and then you're gonna add this at the top of your thing. Now you're gonna go here, type in Carl bot roles. Gonna click the link, click manage, click LaserCore master server. I mean not that, just your server, and then you're gonna verify. Okay. Okay. Now after it's verified, you can just look at the settings if you want, but now CoralBot's here again. That's from my failed attempt. That's why I just kicked him out and made a new one. Okay, and now you're gonna click the plus again, text channels, make it private, let CoralBot in, and now you're gonna do set up. That's gonna be the name. Okay, so now you're gonna go here, gonna click server and server settings, and then you're gonna click plus, and then you're gonna make a role. Moderator, save, administrator, save changes. Now you can also make it like whatever color you want. There. So you're just gonna make a role, that's moderator. Gonna go back out. Gonna click on CoralBot, click the plus, add moderator. And now, since he's moderator, now you can do the verify. Now you can do the verify. Now, go here again, click server settings, roles, add another role. Make this verified. There you go. You can make it green. Can create invite. Nope. Do make sure create invite is off, because that's just gonna be so they could create invites, which is gonna be annoying. And save changes. And now click X, and now you're gonna go to your setup channel. Oopsie, just gonna close this out, and I think this is loading up. Yeah, so you're gonna type in exclamation mark RR space make. Hello. Then you put hashtag verify, and now you're gonna do this title. It's gonna be please verify to continue. And now you're also gonna do, I'm gonna just close this out. There you go. and then you're gonna copy this thing, if I could get it there. Control C and space, Control V. Now do so now the description, do type, and then do space, and then do check mark to verify. Click send. Now click, now type in none, N-O-N-E. Now it's saying, okay. What do you do here again? Okay, this looks good. Please verify to continue. Type. Okay, now you're gonna add the role. Wait, was it this? I hope I didn't mess up on this. Oh good, it works. There we go. Now you get, oh yeah, so you do check mark and then you do at verified, and then you click send. Boom. Now I got the role. Wait, what? Oh yeah, that's because probably let me just turn off, turn on. Okay, I wonder why I'm not getting the role. Oh yeah, that's why. You have to type in done. And now it's done. Now you can. This was just a test. This is just showing you that this is what it looks like. Now you go to verify. You can click this. Boom. Now I have verified. Okay, and now this is how you add the verify. So like all of these are gonna be gone. So this is what you're gonna do. You're gonna click settings on the channel. Click permissions. Click the plus. Gonna click verified. Gonna scroll down to send messages and read messages to check. Now you're gonna close it. Wait, now you're gonna open this again, permissions, and for at everyone, you're gonna do no send message, none of that. You're gonna do no send message and no read message. And now you're gonna do the same to all of these, except setup, because they can't really do anything with setup. Edit channel, permissions, plus, verified, yes, and yes. Like, see, like, so like, when I click on at everyone, nothing there. When I click verified, yeah, you can read and send messages. And now, when you click at everyone, you could X these two, read message and send messages. And you could do the same with this, permissions, role. Some people don't show on other videos how to do it for voice channels. You just do edit channel, permissions, add verified, and for click on at everyone, and you're gonna do view channel. Nope, you're gonna click X on that. Click save. For verified, you're gonna click check mark for view channel. Save. And now for anyone else that joins, see there's a little lock on there. The little picture of a lock. That means they could see the rules. They could see the rules because you didn't do it to the rules. Moderators only. They can't see it. It's only for moderators. Me and Carl, but and verify. Whenever look, if I undo it, I don't have the rule. If I do it, I have the rule. See, and now so now when people don't click on this, they're not gonna see this, and this. They're not going to see this because that's what we did. That's what we did to permissions at everyone. They can't read or send messages. And when you get the verified rule, you could send and read messages. That's why when you click tap, please verify to continue, type to verify. You click this, and now you have the verified rule. And now you go to now people can type and read in all of the other things. So see, since now we have verified, instead of being this, it'll become this. And now we can send messages and read messages for everything here, except anything that's privated and like moderators only. They can't type in rules either because rules is no send messages. never press X for your rules unless it's for moderator rules. Cause you're not gonna want people to not see your rules. Okay, so thanks so much for watching, guys. Leave a like, subscribe, join my Discord server in the description of the video. If you enjoy, share it with your friends, any of your friends that have Discord servers, and comment what you thought about the video. And if you need help with another tutorial that you want me to make on Discord, you could just ask me and I'll help you. And thanks so much for watching. Bye!